What is up guys, Sergio here with Overclocked, and in today's video we're going to talk about, or I'm going to show you a couple of things that I personally do every time I buy a new, or actually every time I buy a used graphics card. Sometimes you just don't have all the money to buy a brand new GPU. I bought this graphics card. It's the GTX 1050 Ti for only $60 on offer up. So there are a couple of things that I recommend every time you buy a used GPU, and that is to change the thermal paste. It's very critical, it's very important. Why? Because you don't know how many hours of gaming or stressing or video rendering or video editing, whatever they use the graphics card for, you don't know how many hours has it been running. So in this video, I'm going to be changing the thermal paste on this GPU, and also I'm going to be making sure that all of the chokes, all of the power capacitors, all of the stuff that needs to be like the BRM, all of that has to be cooling down, and I hope that this graphics card don't disappoint. Okay, let's begin. Let's go ahead and remove the GPU cooler. And disconnect the fan from the PCB if necessary. In my case, I don't have to do it. The next thing is to clean up the thermal paste from the GPU chipset and the cooler heatsink as well. I use coffee filters, Q-tips, and nail polish remover since it contains alcohol. GPUs are different, so you might have to remove the backplate and thermal pads of your graphics card. I noticed that the BRMs of my GPU do not have any contact with the cooler, so I added some heat sinks with thermal glue. I was only able to do 2 of them. I also added to the chokes since I had plenty of room clearance. The next step is to reapply the thermal paste of your choice and put the GPU and cooler back together. In the video description, I will leave a link of how to swap your GPU. A very cool video to watch. This final step depends if your cooler is dirty or not, but if it is, go ahead and clean up the fans, wipe them out. Also clean up the heatsink for better cooling efficiency. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video and spending a few minutes of your precious time here with me. Don't forget to hit the like down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.